Lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom and 1-car garage villa nestled in the middle of the golf course amongst the elegant Sugarmill Woods community. The floor plan incorporates master bedroom, master bathroom ensuite with huge walk-in closet, newer 2019 carpeting and updated faucet hardware. The generously proportioned interior flows effortlessly from the living/dining area to the bonus room from which you can admire the views to your backyard. Cozy kitchen with comfortable and easy care feeling. You're invited to be a part of the Sugarmill Woods Country Club, 18 holes designed by Ron Garl, Southern Woods Golf Club, and Restaurant, 18-hole golf course by architect Hale Irwin, or both with tons of amenities like 2 driving ranges, 2 practice putting greens, golf pro shop, P.G.A golf professional instruction, junior Olympic sized swimming pool, lighted hard surface/HarTru tennis courts and more. With its warm sense of community, only moments to golf, shops, eateries, this home provides all the elements for easy care living.